So, I'm going to be giving Cantu Cleansing Cream Shampoo a second chance. You know that saying that goes, don't throw away the baby with the bathwater? Well, this is what this video is about. We're going to see if it was a user error or a product error. So stick around, people. Let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button. And if you've watched my videos before and you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and like the videos. Thank you guys. Well, in this video I am going to be trying the Cantu Cleansing Cream Shampoo for the second time. Yes, the second time. Because the first time, the results were not what I anticipated. And if you've not watched that video, the link is going to pop up here or here. Just click on the video to watch what my results were the first time around. Yeah, so this is the second time I'm trying this shampoo to see. Now, I will be implementing a little bit. I'll be doing things a little bit different while working with the product on my hair. And I'm going to see if that's going to give me a different result. So we're going to see if it was a me issue. I don't think so. I'm hoping not, but if it was a me issue, that's definitely understandable, or if it was a product issue. So I'm going to be spending a little more time when kneading my hair, you know, kneading my my scalp while using the product to see if I come up with a different result. All right, so let's get into the video.
So this is the Cantu product that I will be using. And this is the state of my scalp prior to the wash. So I'll be showing you guys different sections of my hair to give you guys a look of the condition of my scalp prior to going in for a wash. So I've been at least about 2 weeks, 2 weeks in between washes. So I started out the wash process by completely drenching my hair in water. My hair easily absorbs product that way, and I avoid the scenario of my hair breaking while working with the product through my hair. So for this product, I had to go in with a generous amount of product when applying it to my scalp, to my hair. I was working with a large area of hair, so I went in with quite a few pumps before I was completely satisfied that the product had been evenly distributed across my scalp. So this is the moment of truth. I'm going to be showing you guys my scalp after the wash. Let's see if Cantu did its thing.
Alright guys, so this is after the wash. You saw the video clip of my scalp right after the wash. My thoughts. So it did clean some parts of my scalp. I did still notice that there are some dry bits stuck to my scalp still after the wash. So my own thoughts on the Cantu cleansing cream shampoo. It is a cleansing shampoo. My scalp feels refreshed. That's the same feel I would get after a good clean of my scalp. It did remove some buildup in my scalp, but not entirely. There is still some dryness on my scalp, some dry flakes I would call it, some impurities I would call it on my scalp. So the cleansing cream shampoo, it is more of a cleansing shampoo, so it's more gentler with regards to removing impurities from your hair or like really heavy buildup. Although the product does say that there is a part in the product, I'll just show it actually. Here it says, gently removes heavy buildup. So I guess it's gentle. It's gentle in the way that it removes it. So you may not necessarily rid your scalp of all of the buildup. So if you're looking for more of getting rid of impurities in your scalp or heavy buildup, I would say stick with a clarifying shampoo. Clarifying shampoos are more heavy duty with regards to buildups and removing impurities in the scalp and whatnot. So if that is your goal for that particular wash week, I would say go with the clarifying shampoo. But if you just want a general cleanse of your hair, you know, nothing too strong with regards to removing buildup, you don't want to really necessarily strip your hair or your scalp of all the oils and whatnot, you want something more gentler, then definitely go with the Cantu cleansing cream shampoo. Those are my thoughts. So if you want a clean wash, clarifying wash, getting rid of whatever gunk you want to get rid of in your scalp, if you've been so far in between washes, go clarifying shampoo. But if you want that week, regardless, if you just want something more gentle on your hair, still getting a cleanse feel, then definitely go for the cleansing cream shampoo. It does get rid of some buildup, but as it says, it gently removes the buildup. So if you want something more, you know, get the job done, get rid of all the buildup on my scalp, get rid of everything, and go for a clarifying shampoo, because the cleansing cream shampoo, the Cantu cleansing cream shampoo, is what it is. Cleanse. Even though it says it gently removes, I guess in all fairness, it did say gently removes heavy buildup. So it gently does it. May not get rid of it, all of it, but the ones that it can, it does. So that is my feedback with my experience. I gave it a second chance just to make sure that it wasn't something I did, because this time around what I did do was I spent more time kneading my scalp while using the product. So I put a little bit more strength behind the kneading to make sure that I loosened up any buildup on the scalp, or at least I facilitated loosening any buildup on the scalp in combination with the product to see if that would do the job. But I still left with a little bit of buildup on my scalp. So that's my experience, those are my thoughts, and that has been my experience with the product. But if you guys have a different experience, please put them down in the comments below. If there are any tips with regards to using this product, please leave a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, please like the video, please share the video, and I will be putting up much more videos with regards to my reviews or experience with products. So please stick around the channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.